Audi TT Mk1, removing rear number plate lights and bulbs.
Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel, where tonight I'm taking a look at these. Now these are your rear number plate lights. Now if you want to change the bulbs in your rear number plate lights, you actually need to remove the fittings, but it's not really straightforward how you do so. So in this short video I'm going to show you how you remove those lights and change the bulbs. First thing to notice is the lights are actually in the boot or trunk lid rather than in the bumper. Now this is the same for both the Roadster boot and also the Coupe. Looking at the driving standards for rear number plate lights, they need to be bright enough to illuminate the plate. There doesn't seem to be any ruling about them being LED or halogen, so you may want to change your bulbs for LED. Another reason you need to remove these fittings. The reason I'm removing the fittings is the cable that links the lights to the car is actually broken. I've got it taped together for now, so I need to rewire this. In order to do so, I need to run a new cable through this hole to the lights. So let's get those lights off the car. First thing to notice is there is a blanking plate between the two rear lights, and if you touch these lights, they're pretty firm in the car. They feel like they're made out of a very brittle plastic, so being a 20-year-old car, I don't want to go too rough and break those lights. And something I found out is these lights actually move very slightly. They almost feel like they're sprung loaded. So you can actually slide them out away from the centre of the car by about 2 or 3 millimeters. Those of you who have watched other videos of mine know one of my favourite tools is a bike tyre lever. That's because if you're prizing bodywork off, it's got a bit of give, so don't use a screwdriver, use something plastic, and what we're going to do is take the edge of the bike tyre lever, insert that underneath and simply lift out. Now you must do this from the centre, you must lift from this gap. Don't try and ping under here or off here or you may damage the light. So let's show that up close. So pull the light to the outside of the car. You can see the bodywork appears there in the gap. I'm now going to take the bike tyre lever, put it in the gap, simply lift up, and that releases the light from the bodywork. With the light out, we can see on the outer side is this plastic clip. It's got a bit of give, and that is what allows us to slide the light to the outside of the car to make this gap to get underneath and lift. With the light out of the car, we can see the bulb is easy to remove. It's just a push fitting. So you can get an LED version of this, slot it into the first hole, simple as that. For refitting, put the outside edge of the light in first and push, press it all the way down, and that's back into place like so. It should be pointed out that a failed number plate bulb on your car is an MOT failure. So it's a quick and easy thing to check before you send it for an MOT to make sure the bulb is working. And if it's not working, this short video should show you exactly how you change the bulbs. Remember, the plastic is very brittle, so go easy when you're putting the lights back in. Hopefully you found this tip really useful. If you have, then please think about subscribing to my channel, where you'll find a whole host of content on the Audi TT Mk1. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.